mail today I received my Printrbot Plus kit, and I thought I would do an unbox video for those of you who might be interested in maybe purchasing one of these at some point in time and wanted to see what was in the box as you opened it. Looking at the outside of the box, there's a little bit of damage here on the bottom. Looks like it might have been dropped on this end. We'll see if there's anything broken when we get inside. Top corner of the box looks good and crisp. Overall, not too much damage, not nearly as much as I've seen in some other unbox videos on YouTube. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Okay, so we've got some packing tape along this end. As well as on the other end here. Of course, down the middle. We have our invoice. I got the Printrbot Plus kit plus the Power Tower kit so that we'll be able to set the spool of filament in the tower that houses the power supply up there. We have a quality control checklist. All the items are checked off, and we are signed off as inspected by JG. We have a note for international customers about changing the voltage on the power supply, a bill of materials and parts list. That should be in a kit. We'll have to look at that later on. And I guess so yeah, that'll be, I think this is for the power tower, perhaps. I'll find out. So here are some of the laser cut wood parts. See some bearings in there, and that's part of the power tower, perhaps. Here we go. We got looks like the heated bed for the printer, and some more laser cut parts. We have our power supply. Looks like a PC power supply. And here we've got a USB cable, and looks like the electronics for the Printrbot. Got another package here of some bearings and some screws and springs. Looks like some more bearings. On the end that was bent a little bit, we have the stepper motors for the Printrbot kit. Some of the rods. One has poked through the plastic here. So the rods that are the housing of the Printrbot. Have our courtesy filament there. Some more cabling and drive belts. Here's the hot end, the actual device that heats up and does the extruding of the filament. Some of the looks like 3D printed plastic parts. Maybe these are actually molded parts, I guess. Here is a pretty sturdy hardware bag. I guess I'd seen in some videos where some screws were loose. It's not the case here. Looks like the bag's pretty sturdy. Still has all of the parts in it. Nothing has escaped out of that. And I guess that's it. I'm going to try to build this thing in one sitting and do a time-lapse build video, and I will post that as well.